Ever wondered how lines and dots shaped history? That's Morse code, a system that revolutionized communication. Named after Samuel Morse, one of its co-inventors, this method transformed how we exchange information across vast distances. Morse code uses sequences of signal durations known as dots and dashes to encode text. So, something as simple as a dot and a dash could transmit potent messages, displaying the magic of this ingenious system. Morse code is a testament to how basic elements can dramatically influence the course of human communication, and consequently, history. This is done through standardized sequences of two different signal durations, referred to as dots and dashes, or dits and das. A letter from the alphabet, a number, or even a punctuation mark in Morse code is represented by a unique sequence of these dots and dashes. For instance, the letter E, the most commonly used letter in the English language, is represented by a single dot, while T, the second most common, is a single dash. This system is not just random, but is cleverly designed. The frequency of usage of letters in the English language directly correlates to the simplicity of their Morse code representation. The structure of Morse code is such that each Morse code symbol, be it a dit or a da, is separated by an interval of signal-off time. The length of the da is 3 times that of the dit. Within an encoded character, the separation between symbols is a single dit duration, while the space between parts of the same character is a da duration. The space between separate characters is 7 dit durations. This structure allows for clear and precise communication, ensuring that the message is transmitted accurately and effectively. But where was Morse code used? During its prime, Morse code was vital for urgent, long-distance communication. It was used extensively in maritime communication and by the military. Even in the age of digital communication, it still holds a place. Amateur radio operators use it, and it's even been used in aviation. The SOS distress signal, universally recognized, is perhaps the most famous Morse code signal. To summarize, Morse code is a unique system using dots and dashes to represent text characters. Its structure is designed for clarity and precision, with each symbol and space having a specific duration. It's been used extensively in various fields, from maritime to aviation, and continues to hold relevance even today. From its invention by Samuel Morse and Alfred Vail in the mid-19th century, Morse code has left an indelible mark on the world of communication. It's a testament to human ingenuity, showing how the simplest of elements, dots and dashes, can be used to convey complex messages across the globe. It's a fascinating chapter in our history, a code that truly helped shape the world as we know it. So, the next time you come across a series of dots and dashes, remember, it's more than just random symbols. It's a language, a part of our history, and a testament to human innovation and communication.